Got to find the light. Yep, don't want to deny anybody all of this goodness right here. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. We are back with another walk around. Thanks to my good friends at IAAI in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Yeah, that was kind of stupid, I know, but I can spell. Yeah, I done good in my spelling. We're gonna start this video with a car I haven't seen in a long, long time. This is an old Jaguar, or Jaguar, or Jag. That's what I'm gonna call it, just a Jag. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? All right, it looks like snow. That's hail, folks. Rolls Royce Dawn. Oh my goodness, why is my life so fun? Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was gonna be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Here she is. This is a 1989 Jaguar, or Jaguar, some people say. I'm gonna call them Jags because I don't want to get into that debate. Okay, Jaguar is the correct term. People in the US say Jaguar. I don't know why, they just do. I don't want to upset anybody from across the pond, so I'm gonna call it a Jag. This is old school luxury. Okay, I haven't looked at it or anything. I don't know what to expect. Oh, this is blue. I thought it would be much worse. Look at this though, look how nice. Nice patina, not so nice cracking right there. There is the wood still, which you could refinish. It's not that difficult to do. As long as there aren't any huge pieces or holes in the leather, it's always salvageable. I love this. I really, really do. That is very, very nice. See what the back seat looks like right here. This is a nice looking little car. This is very nice. Here. The back of these look good. This is an XJ6, a Coast Jaguar. Why does it say Roach? I don't know. Is my bag in the way here? Oh, he's gonna go. He's getting that one. Okay, anyway. She has been around the block a little bit. She's hunkered down, which is kind of weird. There is some damage right here on the tail light. And I don't know what I think about this. This is, Americans did this. We used to do these on the Mercedes too. Put those chrome wheel arches on it. It's just weird. Just makes it look weird. Oh, that kind of opens. Look at the back. Woo! She smells like an old car. I would probably fix the headliner. That's a bit of an issue right there. But these doors still close. She needs some paint. She needs a lot of things. And look, remember this? Remember when the seat belts used to kind of follow on the track right here? Yep, just to make sure that you were safe. And they figured out how to attach it right here to the B pillar and it just comes across your chest. That's old school. My mom's Honda did this too. I don't know why, it's just bizarre. Okay, look at these little buttons right here for your seat. This is amazing. Oh wait, get out, we have power. Wait, there's power in this car? Let's just turn it and see. See? She's coming alive. She's alive. Get out. She runs and drives, and look at this! 138,000 miles. We have half a tank of gas. Look at the digital. Oil, water temperature, your battery, charging. That's good. Oh, you're kidding. That is so unexpected. Look. I don't know if it's gonna get cold or not. I have been swallowing dust for hours out here, so I'm losing my voice. But this car just got a lot more interesting. Look at that. Holy crap. Okay, someone's kind of exposed the fuse box right there. I don't know what this means. All these little buttons. And what is this, clear? Oh, wait. Okay, here we go. Time. I don't see anything. Fuel. Distance. Where am I supposed to look for this? I don't know how this works. I wish I did. Oh, miles per hour, kilometers per hour. Look at that, just in case you happen to find yourself in Europe. We'll go back to miles per hour. Here's your cruise control. Windshield wiper. There's two up there. Turn signal. What is this for? Lights. Auxiliary lights. Oh, I love this. Mikey likes. Oh, yes, sir. And it hasn't even been replaced with a Chevy 350. Yeah, this is the original. She sat for a while. Somebody was making a home in this car, but look. Oh, this runs good. Holy crow-moly. I cannot believe she still does this. Almost all of these have been replaced with Chevys. Look at the big straight 6. Distributor. Battery is 2 of 22. These little shells. That's kind of cool. Wow. It even tells you on your relays what they are, what they do. A little bit of oil up here. I guarantee you this is for the suspension maybe, and that's why she's hunkered down. Maybe this has the rear suspension like the Mercedes does. I don't know. I really don't know because I never see these. Oh, Mikey like. Oh, look at this. Look at this right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Okay, we're going to close this back up. Doesn't she run good, though? Holy moly. Yes. I love it when old cars run. Paint her blue. And she would be beautiful. I love the wheels, too. My goodness, who's going to bid on an old Jag like this without knowing that if it runs or drives or not? Power steering still works. How cool is this? The seat, even over here, these are your seat switches. And see? They still work. Which goes forward here. See? That is cool. That is a beautiful touch right here. This can be easily fixed. This is gross. Oh, and you have fuses in here as well. Oh, here's your cover for your fuse box. There it is. I just fixed something for you. There you go. I just fixed it. You're welcome. And here, this looks like your marker that goes on the outside on the right side of the fender. I bet you it is. I guarantee you it is. Okay, we'll close this up. What's it like in the back? I can't tell you how much I love this car. Can you tell? The dash is not cracked. The wood is good, except for around here. Come on. How much room do you get in the back? Oh. Oh. This is comfortable. Oh my gosh, what is this? 2019, what is it? 1989. Who was prime minister in 1989?
Where there is discord, may we bring harmony. Where there is error, may we bring truth.
Margaret Thatcher? I don't know. Could you imagine her driving or sitting around in this? Wow. This is gross. I really hate this, but you can easily replace this. I don't know how you'd get it out. Maybe the doors are wide enough. Oh, look how cool this is. With little lights. Do they work? Yeah, they work. This one does not. Oh, it does. There you go. In case you have to do some reading. These do kind of work. There is something coming out. Oh my goodness. This is something you got to see to believe, folks. I love it. I really do. Hell, this is the whole video on one car. Ah! Woo! Okay. This is amazing. And I guess it just turns off after a while. There's your lights. Your hazard. Auxiliary lights. I don't know why this turns off. How do you know? How do you know how much gas you have if it turns off? VCM, I don't know. Trip computer. You know, I mean, there are going to be some issues. Okay, I don't know. They just disappeared. But the car runs great. Oh my goodness. There we go. Look how big the key is. That's a key now, folks. That is a key. We'll put it right there. Why is it not on a string? I don't know. I'll leave it in there. We'll leave the key right there. Check this out. Yep, an Audi A4 2.0T Quattro S. Yes, sir. For Shiite. I can go fast. Yeah, 2012 Audi A4S. A little bit of damage on the front. This is not major. I don't think anything happened. Well, yeah, something happened to the condenser. That's okay. And the hood and the grill. Other than that, I think she's okay. Hopefully I can get in. Oh, there is a little bit of damage here. A little bit right there. Okay, tires are good. Any other body damage up front? Nope, nope, nope. Paint's good. Rear bumper. Little scratch right there. Pirellis. Nice. It's always good to see those. Let's see what the inside looks like. Yes. Okay, this is nice. This is very, very nice. Okay, because this is the S line, she's gonna be fancy. And I wish I could, I can't open that up to show you the difference, but that's okay. Just know that S stands for Shiite. I go fast. Let's see if she's gonna start. I don't know. I bet she does not. No, she will start. Look at this, we're on a roll today. Okay. Here it is. Look at the fancy key that you get. Nice key ring. And here we go. Let there be life. Okay. Somebody tall had this car. Okay. This is a nice place to be. Audi music interface. Service is due. Underinflated. Check all tires. Where's my steering wheel? Oh well, we'll just leave it up there like that. Look at this. You can check out all the parts of the car. This is a little dirty, nothing major. Is this on? Please. Oh, when you change the temperature, it looks, it shows up in your display up there. Let's go automatic. Automatic. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the air conditioning. So we know the hood is not secure. That's okay. 64,000 miles on this car. Quattro all-wheel drive. She sounds good. Have it take a gas? Yes, sir. These are comfortable seats. This is like totally opposite from the Jaguar. That Jaguar, you are low and squatty. You're kind of high in this car. Thin and high, not short and squatty. I love this. I don't know how to work it though. Here. Parking system. Rear volume. That means there's somebody close to us. This is nice. Oh, might got dirty in the Jag. Yes, sir, but it was worth it, baby. This is a nice place to be. This would not be a difficult car to fix either. You get some of the belongings in a trash bag right there. Lots of paperwork. That's all right. And I just cannot open the hood. I cannot open the hood, so I can't show you. Anyway. I like this. I really do. All right, so what do you think? Should I with the Jag or should I with the Audi? This is going to be so much more. This is 2012. This is going to go for thousands. The Jag may go for hundreds, I'm thinking. Maybe that would be good for the channel. I don't know. Let me think. Let you tell me what to do. We're just doing 2 cars on this video because I spent so much time in the Jaguar, Jag, XJ6, old school, straight 6 that ran like a top. And then part of the instrument cluster didn't work anymore. But that's okay. Who needs to know how much gas you have or what the temperature of the engine is? Who needs that kind of stuff? Anyway, let me know what you think, folks. The channel continues to climb. That's a good thing. I'm glad I'm getting to where I want to be. If I could get up to 40,000 subscribers, that would be a huge help for me right now. So if you haven't, please like, please subscribe. And once again, I'm going to tell you, I have these hats at home. I have several hats, and I'm going to put them on my website once I get the website. So stay tuned for that. Of course, we also have the stickers. Remember the Monkey Wrench Mike stickers? Cash at me $3 to Ben's Guy 99, and I'll send you a sticker. Those are all across the globe, which is really, really cool. All I ask is for you to send me a picture of that on your car. Then I'm going to make a video about all the cool cars that have the Monkey Wrench Mike stickers and where they are in the world. That would be pretty fun to do. All right, please like, please subscribe once again, and we'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.